Let's replace the windshield wiper blades for the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. What you're going to do is put your vehicle in service mode, the windshield wipers, turn off your vehicle, and the windshield wiper lever, you're going to want to lift it up, hold it up for a few seconds, and your windshield wiper blades will orient themselves vertically. This will allow you to work on the actual windshield wiper blades. Take the largest blade from the driver's side, lift it up so it's vertical. There is a hook and a latch. You're going to want to put your fingernail underneath the latch, open the latch, and pull down to remove it from the hook. The next thing that you're going to do is you want to take your larger windshield wiper blade. I'll leave the links in the description below. And you're going to come up on the hook. So you're going to pull it up and then close the hatch. So the hook is going to be inside the wiper blade. Remove the white plastic piece, and we're going to move to the second one on the passenger side. Orient it vertically again, and it's that same mechanism. You're going to remove the latch, and then there's a hook, so you can just kind of pull it down, and it's going to remove. And on the new wiper blade, there will be a latch and a place, a little nook, so you can put that hook in that nook. So open that latch, pull it up, and close the latch. Remove the plastic. You can put your windshield wipers blades back on your windshield and test it out, and that will remove it from service mode. I'll leave the links in the description below.